Na game 3, semifinals, do or die game. Burok 5 versus Burok 3. Bola ng 5. Ba, 3 nga, 3. Hindi pala tumapit.
Number 9.
Muntik na. Madilim dito. Ulang ilaw.
16 to shoot. Basket.
Dapat nililipat ng isang ilaw dun sa stage, oh.
Number 5 and number 16. Rebound by number 15. Number 7. Rebound by number 20. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 9. Number 7. 15 to shoot. Number 57 pass to number 9. Number 9, 10 to shoot. Number 15. Pass. Number 69, 5 to shoot. Rebound by number 9. Number 9, pass to number 5, number 5, layups, good. Official score, 5-2. In favor of Orange. Number 9. Rebound by number 9. Number 0. Pass to number 5. Go good.
Nabila pa ba naman?
Number 7. Number 57. 15 to shoot.
Tira niya lang.
Orange ball. Number 0 to number 9. 15 to shoot. 2 points. Number 57. Number 69. To number 15. Number 15. Basket. To shoot. Rebound by number 9. Number 7.
Bakit ba important na kayo nila?
15 seconds to shoot. Number 15. Okay. Kuya Tres. Review. Kuya Canapsio. Foul. Number 15. 15 to shoot. Number 9 layup. Basket. To shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 16. Number 57. Number 15. Hook shot. Basket.
Nakakamada yung nakaka 4 points na.
Defensa po tayo. 15 to shoot. Number 9. 3 points.
10-8 lang mga 5.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 15. Pinasa gitna. Natapit. Number 5. May foul. Number 0. Number 5. Wala. Rebound by number 57, pass to number 9, number 10. Number 9, pass to number 15. Number 15, move shot again. No good, rebound by number 16. To shoot. Number 16. Advance substitution. Basket para number 0.
12-8. Waiting na ang Purok Dos sa finals. Si manalo, mga kalaban.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 7, bounce pass. Number 9, to win. Number 6, first personal. Second team foul.
Ang 12.
Crucial score, all 12. Number 0, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9 to number 0. Number 0, no good. Number 6, foul counter. Basket.
Shoutout nga pala kay Christian Villa.
Number 7. Number 69. Agawin pa number 69, layup. Number 5. Number 0. Rebound pa number 9. Number 9, nagmamadali. Pinasa kay number 69, pinasa kay number 57. Number 69 again. Basket. Official score 15-14 in favor of Orange. Basket para kay number 16. To shoot. Untuk pasa, basket. Number 0.
17-16.
Number 0, second play. Number 9, 15 to shoot. Number 16, pinasa number 6. Rebound again by number 6. Number 9. To number 7. Number 7 fake. Bounce pass. Agawa. 5 to shoot. Thirty to shoot.
Hindi yung mga colorway nasa pa.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 0. 5. Number 16. 15 to shoot. Pinasa number 9. Rebound number 5. Pagkapasa. Basket.
19-16. Tatlo lamang ni 5.
15 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. 45 seconds. 30 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Basket. Who's player? Official score 21-16 in favor of Orange. Basket, ang bonus shot. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 to shoot. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9 seconds. 5 seconds remaining.
Walong lamang 5. Second round.
71. Masuk.
Second unit.
Traveling violation.
Kaya talalaro si Pisa ngayon din. Nagkipod na sa
20
patos.
seconds. Sean, dadala bola. 15 to shoot. Backward. 3. 10 to shoot. 9 seconds.
Babay! Sure pass lang!
15 to shoot.
So napapagalitan na ng anak eh.
Ako, magmadali. Ano? Pinasa kay Tinola na to. Tubig na. Pasok. Fifteen seconds.
Box yata.
10 shoot. Number 3.
Sino ba nakashoot kanina? Si Wala. Kaya lang.
Number 4. 15 seconds to shoot. Fake. Pagasa kay number 3. Number 3. Pagasa kay number 4. 10 to shoot. Number 4. Rebound by number 7.
Hindi nga lang sa tatay ah.
15 to shoot. Number 7. Pagasa kay number 5. Number 9. 10 to shoot. Oh, 7 seconds to shoot. Number 15.
Uy, si ano?
Rebound again by number 15. Number 15. Wala. Rebound by number 69. Rebound again by number 15. Fake. Foul.
Bolang bola eh. Wala, di makashoot yung boss. May walang samahid sa katawan.
Number 15. Number 3, mapadali. Uy, bump. Fake. Number 40. Basketball.
Wala pa rin pang.
Number 69, fake. Layup. Basket.
Sampu.
Ayaw, parang si ano.
15 to shoot.
Uy, sa
Number 9.
time pa shoot.
Katapasan. Nagpasahan. Basket. Increase the score. 28-20 in favor of Orange. Number 3. Wow.
Ang dami na, hindi tayo makakababaw. Basta ito doon.
No! No daw, sabi ni tatay. No!
Dalawang points.
Tara! Tara na! Tara na!
Sabay.
Oy, tara!
Ayan, nakakita ka na.
Two to shoot.
Si Jojo na lang. At
10 to shoot.
isang magkatari ang wala.
5 to shoot. 2 seconds. Traveling. Continue to shoot. Number 7. Lumang by number 15. Number 9. Number 7.
Gumball. Stop ball. Puta boss. Eto na si Jojo Alvarado. Dumating na din. Latecomers. Lamang na ang 10 kalaban. 30-20.
30 seconds shot clock.
Muntik na mabakot. Wala.
10 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 5. Number 5, mamadali.
Talisik eh.
15 seconds to shoot. Wow. Pasok lang po, pasok lang.
Sabay-sabay pala silang tatlo gano'n.
30, 20. 10 ang hinahabol ng tres. Nainitin yung boy. Asa ba electric boy?
Gusto nga paglaro ka na Kalil?
Number 7. The official score, 21-20, favor of Orange. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 57, basket. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 27 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 0. 12 to shoot. Number 5, Lumitawan. Pinasa. Alaban.
Ba, kulang.
Number 0. To number 5. Number 5. To number 7. Atapek. Number 3. 15 to shoot. Number 0 again. Number 10. Break. And
Pasa pala.
basket.
Buenas.
Seconds to shoot. Number 9. Number 3.
3-2.
Number 3. Basket.
Shoot, ngayon, tira ni Abet. 10. 35-25, 4 minutes.
15 to shoot.
Bilis talaga ni.
Steal by number 0. Number 5.
Pasa!
Number 9. Nagpapasa. Nagpapasa. 15 to shoot. Rebound by number 22. Number 57. Eight. Cross to number 7. Layup. Basket.
Lagi pala yun na magpinta.
Oras natin, 3 minutes and 7 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Overpass. Double 22. Foul. Advance timeout. Basket number 2. Number 14. Number 0 to number 9. Number 9. Serve the
Kailangan
play.
ng pasa niya ngayon, mahuhuli.
15 shoot. Number 5 to number 14. Naglakat. Supply.
Nasobrahan yata sa himulmul si Wisang.
Number 22. Number 7. Number by number 14. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5. Nilayap ka. Pinasa. Number 0. 2 points.
Kala ko, sasayangin nyo pa yun, Toronto. Wala.
Yun. Play mo na.
Number 57. Basket.
Dito.
Time to shoot.
Palas.
5 seconds to shoot. Number 14.
Yun.
Basket.
Ganda na kayo siya. Yung piece.
15 to shoot. Official score 39-13. Favor to Orange.
Ay na. Ay.
15.
Ito, wala isang minuto.
55 seconds remaining.
Nagre-reklamo yata sa Telete.
10 to shoot. Five. 35 seconds.
32.1 seconds.
Number 9. 25 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 20 seconds. Basket. 10 seconds remaining. Oras na po. Counting. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 5.8 seconds remaining. Basta na po ang marinig. 3 seconds remaining.
Apat, 41-37. Mga 5. Third quarter.
Start of the third quarter.
Yun!
Number 3. Number 9.
Sayang yung
Number 9,
Byron.
baba ng bola. 15 to shoot. Number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. Katapasa. Asunod. Number 9. 15 to shoot. Number 9 for 3. Number 0. Wala. Umipag pa number 67. Number 15. 15 to shoot. 10 second shot clock.
3 seconds!
Rebound by number 5. Number 5, nagmamadali. Number 5. Number 16. 15 to shoot. Number 3. Pasa number 0. Number 0, pinasa number 5. Number 5.
Offensive.
Traveling Barry. Number 67. Number 9. Number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Tumira ng 3. 3 points.
Isa na.
Official score, 41-14.
Sarado na ang buta.
Isa na po ang kalapangan ng Orange. Number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 0. To number 3. Number 5. Basket. Number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 15. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds remaining. 2 points.
All na, all. All 43. 42 lang pala. 42-43.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Luka ba number 0? Tinuputan. Number 22. Nagpapag ng bola. Number 22. Pump. Wala. Number 9. Number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 15. 5 15 to shoot. Number 9. 10 to shoot. Mula sa kalaban. Number 67. 5 seconds. Shot clock. 15 shoot. Number 22. Rebound by. Advance substitution break. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Second shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Kapit. Number 0 na buong bola. 15 seconds to shoot. Taagaw. Number 9 na pakabilis. Tinapit. Ten to shoot. Number 15.
Lamang na ng dalawa. 45.
Change play dalawa ng mga pang right. Advance up break. 10 to shoot. Number 9. Rebound by number 69. Number 9. 15 to shoot. Number 15. Number 9. Number 9. Wala. Gagawa. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 15. Wala pa rin. Nakuha pa rin number 69. Number 9, half step. Wala. Number 9, babal bola. Ayun pass na bagong pa.
Nalipad yan eh.
Official score on 45. Number 9, 3 point. Lamang napulot ng tatlo. Ang puti.
Dahil kami sa 3 points ah. Bumawi.
Advance time of it. Number 0. 5 to shoot. Number 9. Number 15. Wala. Number 9. Number 5. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 0. Wala. Foul.
Technical no?
Number 0.
2 minutes, 35 seconds. Lamang ang tatlo ang Purok Press. 48, 45.
Basket ang una.
Diba? Sa dalawa.
Oras natin, 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Basket ang pangalawa. Number 9.
Isa na lang, isa.
Sila lang po ang kalabangan ng puti. Number 7, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound by number 5. Number 7, steal. Nagpasahan. Basket. Balik po sa tatlo ang kalabangan ng puti. Oras natin, 2 minutes exactly. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 67. Wala. Nakuha na number 42. Number 42. Pangalawang pagnanasa. Wala. Number 14 to number 9. Number 9, break number 14. Number 14, but wala. Number 5 to number 6. 10 to shoot. Number 14, wala. Number 42.
Wrong decision na naman ng tropa.
Number 9. 3 points. Isang minuto na lang po ang natitira. 15 to shoot. 55 seconds remaining. Blake, pinasa ulit. 40 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. 25 seconds. 2 points. 20 seconds. Pasa na lang po ang maririnig. 5 seconds. 3 seconds.
Lima ang lamang.
The fourth quarter.
Fourth quarter.
Number 7.
Magkakaalaman na kung sinong papasok sa finals. Lima ang hinahabol ng porsyento.
15 to shoot. Number 57 basket.
Pito.
15 seconds to shoot. Number 5. Wala. Rebound pa number 57. Number 57. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Napakabilis. Ito ang ulit. Foul.
Tira.
15 seconds to shoot. Abdul, number 2. Nakapulot. Wala. Rebound pa number 67.
Parang hindi makashoot na.
Number 7. Nagbaba ng bola. 15 to shoot. Number 7. Wala. Hindi pa number 67. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 23. Wala pa rin. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 0. Kutingin ng press. Number 22. Number 67. Pinasa kay number 57. Pinasa kay number 2. Number 7. 10 to shoot. Number 57. Foul. Foul number 12 to shoot. Number 2. Wala. Ang ba number 5? Number 9. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 22. Number 57. Fake. Natapilan. Number 9. Ang taas ng pasa. Number 9. Number 5. Basket. Number 57.
Final.
Number 7.
Nakapunta-punta yung
15 to shoot. Number 22. Number 67. Foul. Number 14. Third personal foul, 17 foul.
Walo.
Number 3. 15 to shoot. Number 5. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rebound by number 5. 4 to shoot. Double zero basket.
Anim.
15 to shoot.
Kung sa akin dyan, tatawa-tawahan ko na yan.
12 to shoot.
Hanggang matapos, tawa-tawa.
Number 7.
Wala.
Wala. Rebound by number 14. Number 0. Wala. Number 9. 15 to shoot. Number 0.
Tira, Byron.
11 to shoot.
Mga 3 points din. Yes! Tira, Byron. Nakakot ka din.
Two points na. Nagpasa na ulit. 15 to shoot. 12 to shoot.
Apat.
5 to shoot. Wala. Rebound by number 14.
Baba. Ayun,
Number
kaya.
5.
Ay.
Number 0. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Pinasa sa likod.
Isa pa, Byron.
Wala. Rebound by number 22.
Apat ang
Time
habol.
remaining. Exactly 5 minutes. 15 to shoot.
Tira ka, Jo.
Fake.
Hawakan.
Number 9. To shoot. Number 9, fake. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Pinasa number 0, Luis. 2 points.
Dalawa na lang, dalawa. 59, 57.
0, 59-57. Good ball, upright.
Kutuban ang laban.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22. Wala pa rin. Natapit. Number 69. Wala pa rin. Kanya pa rin. Foul.
Ayaw bumax out. Apat ko sila sa ilalim.
Salin.
Number 67. Foul. Basket time. Ball shot. Para kay number 67. Basket. Lamang na ng 5. Ang puti. Number 0. 15 seconds to shoot.
Tira, Jen.
Number 9.
Tira.
10 to shoot. Number 9, fake. Pinalik, number 5. 5 seconds to shoot. Nakatan. Number 7.
Ayaw magsitira.
15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 67. Pinasa ka number 22. Dump. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Number 7. Ready to shoot. Nice three. Number 9. Nice play. Number 9. Turnover. Number 9.
Tirang.
Number 0. Nice down. Number 22. Number 9. Number 9. score 62-57. Last 2 minutes.
Beng ka.
Number 5. Time remaining. Last 2 minutes. Ang pero quarter natin. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2.3 seconds shot ang lang po. Naalaw pa. Number 3. Nagmamadali. Moving up. Wala. Moving up na lang.
Foul!
Right ball. Clock to the ball game. Time remaining 1 minute and 28 seconds. The official score 62-57 in favor of White. Magkano ang pasahan? Nice to them. Foul.
Ayan.
10 to shoot. Number 0. Wala. Number 6. Number 6.
Shoot!
Basket. Final score 62-59. Number
Ito, lamang.
22, baba ng bola. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. He's power.
Tatlong lamang, 62-59. 1 minute, 3 seconds.
Pressure mo yung dalaw. Hindi mo si... Bago na natin na yun eh.
Oras natin, 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining. Basket power 63-59 in favor of White. Basket para kay number 22.
Diba?
Number 9.
Outside. Outside. Line by line.
Number 9. Magkano ang kasama? 15 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. 45 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds remaining. Number 9. Pasa na yung number 2. Pasa. Kami pa rin. 10 to shoot. Number 7. 11 to shoot. Na agaw. Number 5. Pinasa kay number 40. Number 40. Number 0. Nag-iisa. Basket.
Sa pool pa lang.
Injury timeout.
Tatlo. 64-61.
Dikit, dito.
26 seconds remaining.
Two seconds lang.
23 seconds remaining na lang. Wow. Signalan mo na. Basket.
Time out.
15 seconds remaining. Pasa na lang po ng ulunod.
Isa lamang. Isa lamang. 5.4 seconds. Isa lamang.
Pwede na ulit shoot eh. Pwede na ulit. Nakashoot na eh. Ano yung nangyayari tingin mo? Para?
Two free throw.
Pass time out.
65-64. Isang lamang ng Purok 3. Salang tira una ni Abet.
Hindi ka na rescue. Seconds remaining.
5-64, isang lamang. 4.1 seconds. Kung matagal lang hindi na nanalo ang Purok 5 sa Purok 3.
3 seconds.
Talo ang Purok 5. Naman. Shoutout sa inyo, Purok 3. Hindi kami manalo sa inyo. Lagi na lang talo ang Purok 5 sa Purok 3. Pero okay lang yan.